swimmers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you the top 3 mistakes that you're making when you're teaching your kid to swim. The first mistake that you're making is you're letting them wear floaties. This is a big no-no, and I cannot stress this enough. Do not let them use floaties. It will give them a false sense of security. It's not going to help them learn to swim. They need to learn to keep themselves up above water or to be able to swim underwater. And if they have the floaties on, they won't be able to go underwater the way that they would if they didn't have them on. So you need to take those floaties off, get rid of them. I know some people mean well, but it is not going to help you teach your kid to swim, unfortunately. So that is a big mistake that parents make. The second mistake that you're making is you aren't having them wear goggles while you're teaching them to swim. You want them to wear goggles. It's going to make it a lot more fun. You don't want Clorox and, the water getting into their eyes burning or hurting. You want them to be comfortable.
Hello, everybody. I'm 5 years old. I know how to swim.
Show me what you could do.
Oh, Daddy, put these on. What? I need Daddy. Put my goggles on.
Goggles are very important, huh?
Yup.
Why?
For your eyes.
So get them a pair of goggles that are the correct size. They have children's sizes. You want to get those in particular so that they're comfortable and they fit correctly. And you want to get goggles for yourself as well, because you both can wear goggles and you can play little silly games underwater. You can go underwater with them and say, oh, look at me, look at what I'm doing. That's what I did with my daughter, and it worked a lot. We were able to go underwater, and I would make silly faces and she would make silly faces, and it became fun, and she wasn't thinking so much about holding her breath or what she had to do. So that's what you want to do. You want to make it fun, so get those goggles. Another mistake that you're making is not smashing that like button. Smash the like button. I worked hard on making these videos, so please give me a thumbs up. The third mistake that you may be doing is you may be thinking that they should not swim underwater, that they should only learn to swim above water. That is a mistake. You want them to learn to swim underwater, and they will come up for air eventually. That is the trick, is if they can swim underwater, they can swim above water. Eventually they will feel comfortable swimming above water. But if you're trying to teach them to only swim above water and not let their head go down, that's a mistake, because eventually they will have to put their head down. They have to get used to that first. It's the hardest part. So don't make the mistake of thinking that they should only learn to swim above water. And I just want to add this last thing in here as a little bonus thing that you may not be aware of. You may be scared when you're teaching your kid to swim. You might not know it, but you might be secretly freaking out and thinking that they're gonna drown or that they're gonna swallow too much water, or you're not doing the right thing. Just calm down. Be patient with yourself. Just know that you got this. You're not gonna let them drown. You're there at all times with them. And so have that light energy, have that fun and light energy, so that they will feel comfortable and they will know that they are safe with you. So don't be scared. You're doing the right thing. Please comment down below. Let me know if you are doing any of these. From my experience, these things were hindering me helping my child get there faster. The minute that I changed these things around, my daughter was able to swim a lot faster. And if I can help you avoid these mistakes, then I have done my job. That is all for today. Make sure that you subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you in my next video. Besitos! Good job.